Welcome to solverfy, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
So we're asked to determine the axial force in the screw necessary for equilibrium. So we'll start with our x equation. So we have x is equal to L, which is the length, times the cosine of the angle. And then our y is equal to 2L times the sine of the angle. So we can rewrite these both to be delta x is equal to negative L times the sine of the angle times delta sine. And then we can rewrite our y to be delta y is equal to 2L times the cosine of the angle times delta angle. Okay, and then we have our delta u, which is equal to 0. So the equation that we're going to need to completely fill out this problem is negative p times delta y minus f times delta x is 0. So you can see here we have our delta y and our delta x. So we can simply drop in our equations from above, which will make that negative p. And then since it's times our delta y, we just fill that in. So we have 2L cosine of the angle minus f. And so we put in our delta x. I'll erase this and move it over. So our f was negative L times the sine of the angle. And then all this is equal to 0. So we're looking for the force. So if we go ahead and rearrange our equation and solve it out, to solve for the force of that screw, the axial force, we will end up with our final answer, which is F is equal to 2P, which is our load, cotangent of the angle. And that is the final answer.